To turn off dark mode on your Mac, simply go to System Settings. You can either click on the Apple logo in the top left corner and then select System Settings, or you can just click on the settings icon, which is normally in the dock, and that's going to open System Settings. So once you have that open, you can scroll on the left-hand side and click on Appearance, and then you should see the modes. You have light mode, dark mode, and auto. Auto basically automatically changes from light mode to dark mode depending on what time it is of the day and what you've set. So to turn off dark mode, simply select light mode, which is the opposite of dark mode, and that's going to disable dark mode. And you can see everything changes immediately. And that's basically how to turn off dark mode on your Mac. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below. If you found this useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly even subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.